What's going on, everybody? We're doing a 15-16 Upper Deck Portfolio Hockey 2-box break number 5, 2 random teams. Today is the 6th of December, 2016. So I already got the randomizer set up. Here's the dice roll. Here's the teams. Here are the names. So I'll do the names first. So let's roll the dice. 5 and 5, so that's 10. So 10 times in the names. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What is a 5 and 5?
5. I know, right?
In the field, that would have
6,
been
7, 8, 9. One more time. 10th. All right, Kyle at the top. And Kyle at the bottom. All right, so 10 times, right, for the teams. So good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more time. Good luck. 10. Ottawa at the top, Detroit at the bottom. So let's match these up. So Kyle, you got the Senators. Daniel has the Devils. Kyle has the Flyers and Capitals. James has the Canadiens. Daniel has the Hurricanes. Kyle has the Blues and Coyotes. Peter Ang has the Canucks. Kyle has the Flames, Sabres, Lightning, Wild, and Rangers.
Oh.
JD has the Leafs. Peter has the Blackhawks. Kyle has the Ducks. James, JD has the Stars. Kyle has the Penguins. Kyle has the Predators, Bruins, Blue Jackets. JD also has the Jets. Kyle has my Los Angeles Kings and gets the Oilers. Congrats.
Oh, dang.
Colorado for Kyle with the Avalanche. Nice, so you get your team right there. Kyle also gets the Sharks, Panthers, Islanders, and Red Wings to end it off. So I'm going to pause the video. If you guys want to make any trades, then I'll roll the dice to see what boxes we pick. So I'll pause the video for a couple minutes to see if there's any more trades. Alright. So welcome back, everybody. There was one trade. Kyle does trade his Flyers to JD the Stars. So Kyle now has the Stars. JD has the Flyers. So there's 4 boxes left. So I'm going to roll the dice. If it lands 1 through 3, we're going to do the left. 4 through 6 will be for the right. Landed a 6. So we're choosing these 2 boxes to break. So we'll put another 2-box break in the store. And we can get this going now. So this is a 2-box break of Portfolio Hockey. It's the first time I'm breaking Portfolio, so let's check it out. Alright, so I'm actually excited to see what's here in Portfolio. I've seen it before, but I've never broken it. So, should be fun. Alrighty. Let's move that right there. I know, yes it does. Alright, so Henrik Zetterberg, John Gibson, Louis Eriksson, rookie phenom, Linus Ullmark, John Tavares, Carey Price, Sam Reinhart, and Rod Brind'Amour. This side. Dion Phaneuf, Victor Rask, Teuvo Teravainen, Ryan Getzlaf, Henrik Lundqvist, not numbered, Bort Salming, Wayne Gretzky, Oscar Cliffbaum. So no numbered cards yet or anything like that. If I missed a numbered card, I will go back and top load that and stuff like that. If you guys see it and I don't, you let me know. Brian Little, Kari Leitinen. I know some people say Lettinen, but my brother always corrects me. Brent Seabrook, Jack Johnson, Eunice, Donskoy, Charlie Coyle, Yari Curry, Ryan Johansson, Craig Anderson, Jason Spezza, Ryder, Connor Hellebuck, Leitonen, Andrei Kopitar, that's my boy, Gostisbehere, Bobby Clark, David Krejci. My brother does love him some Finnish players. Sami Vatanen, Chris Versteeg, Doug Harvey, Henrik Sedin, and it looks like Matthias Janmark. So rookie Phenom wired photos, Matthias Janmark. I think that would be considered a hit, so I'll put that over there. Victor Hedman, Thomas Tatar, your mailbox about to be full of cards, I know, right? So if I do botch some names, I'm sorry about that. For the most part, I can get most of these names. Hansel, Camilleri, Horvat, Wayne Simmons, rookie phenoms Garrett Sparks, Guy Lafleur, Johnny Gaudreau, Martin Jones. I miss him. I really miss him on the Kings. 2-goal Wayne Simmons. He scored 2 goals today. I know he scored a goal earlier. Must scored again. Daniel Sedin, TJ Oshie, Marian Gaborik, Mike Green, and another. It's a black and white art card. Sam Bennett, Calgary. Sidney Crosby, Joe Sakic, Ryan O'Reilly. Travis Hamnick, Anthony Duclair, Matthew Perrault, and wired photos of Rod Brind'Amour for Carolina. So I think you had Carolina, right, Daniel? So you're getting some wired photos. Matt Molson, Alex Galchenyuk, Glenn Hall, Jake Allen. Yeah, right, Tim. I would love to get some cup going too, man. Steven Stamkos, Mikko Koivu, Ben Bishop, Nicholas Lidstrom, Red Wings, Mark Messier, Mario Lemieux, Joe Pavelski, Marc-Andre Fleury. Brind'Amour should always be a flyer set. You miss him so much. Joe Thornton, Rostalainen, Rasmus, Mike Smith for the Coyotes. Another rookie phenom wired photos. Robbie Fabry. Nicholas Backstrom. Justin Falk. Jonathan Quick. Alexander Barkov. So no auto yet. So could be coming up soon. Devin Dubnyk. Patrick Kane. Brandon Saad. A rookie phenom, Brock McGinn for the Hurricanes. I think that goes to Daniel. Put that list over here on the side so I can check it out. Andrew Ladd. Ryan Kessler. Mac Pacioretty, Yari Hoodler. G Perez, sorry, I didn't see that. What is that Flyers card on display? It's actually it's a Boss Man's Freddie Flyer from like 1967. What'd you say that was, Joe?
An ashtray.
It was an ashtray. G Perez, Roman Yossi, Nassim Kadri, TJ Brody, rookie phenoms Max Domi. That is Coyotes. John Carlson, Claude Giroux, Kyle Turris, Leo Komarov. Yeah, I still got plenty of packs. Yeah, I think it only has one auto, G Perez. Eric Johnson, Peter Mazarek, Mike Ribeiro, Braden Shen, Shane Gostisbehere, wired photo for the Flyers. Yeah, everything does ship, JD. Everything does ship. Bobby Orr, Al McInnes, Nikita Kucherov. G Perez, we have 2 box breaks. I think we should be putting one in the store. It was only $11.99, so $12 gets you 2 random teams. 2 random teams for $12. 2 box break. Mikhail Botker, Alex Pietrangelo, Kyle Palmieri. A wired photos of Bobby Clark. So it looks like a Flyers hit right there. Drysdale, Jamie Benn, Shea Weber, Scott Hartnell. Alright. So maybe next box I'll rip open a couple packs, maybe do a little pack stacking, unless you guys want to just see a pack for pack. Just let me know if I'm going a little too slow. James Neal, Patrick Marleau, Mike Giordano, Brent Burns, rookie phenom Andreas. Man, I just had this guy's name at the tip of my head the other day. I can't pronounce it. I had it the other day. I was trying to practice this one. But Detroit Red Wings right there. That's one name I was trying to practice for Cup. But sorry about that. So Semyon Varlamov, Doug Gilmour, Eric Stahl. Oh, Justin Williams. I miss him on the Kings. Justin Williams for the Capitals. Kyle Okposo. Roberto Luongo. Oliver Ekman-Larsson. So that is yeah. Rookie phenom Connor McDavid. Nice. For the Oilers. That goes to Kyle. Put that in a sleeve right now too. Corey Perry. Nick Foligno. Taylor Hall. Oh, those are like $20? Not bad then, right?
There we go, right there.
Thomas Vanek, Kevin Shattenkirk, Evander Kane, Duncan Keith, rookie phenom Nikolai Golubin for the Sharks, Mark Scheifele, Brendan Gallagher, Tyler Johnson. So everything does ship in this. I mean, it has to be, right? It's not going to, what, 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks maybe? It's not going to go for $1. Kevin Hayes. Oh, it looks like we got our first relic. Brock Nelson. And the first relic, Profiles material, Morgan Riley for the Toronto Maple Leafs. So who has Toronto? JD. That's yours, JD. Congrats. So put that in the sleeve. Get that Connor McDavid. Put that in the sleeve really quick. Alright, so let's finish off these ones right here. Jaromir Jagr, Braden Holtby, Evgeny Malkin. Alright, last 2 packs. Autograph's still in there. Nathan McKinnon, Johnny Boychuk, Well, I think we got something. Chris Letang. And we got XRC rookie color photos. Rookie number 1. Congratulations.
So Cardinals, Panthers, Jets. Those are the
So let me
that are left at the moment in a quick little 8-box mixer. Let me show you the boxes that are involved in this.
So congratulations, reservation for 1 trading card will be made in your name when you can submit your request. So what do these go to? I didn't get it. Look at this. So this card may redeem for rookie number 1.
Playoff.
What is rookie number 1, guys? I'll take a look at that later on. I mean, just so I can keep the break going.
13 totally certified, 2014 Bowman Chrome, 2015.
Is that really Austin Matthews, Toronto Maple Leafs?
Open up the new stuff. That's a quick little break right there. Not too expensive. Pretty
I mean, that's what I'm saying, right? Number 1, rookie number 1.
fun to do. I like breaks.
We'll get this sorted out though. We'll look it up and see what it goes to. Ryan Strome, Marty Brodeur, Tyler Toffoli, Antti Niemi. I mean, that would be cool if it was Austin Matthews, right? So let's go to the last pack. Mika, Alexander Steen, Sean Monahan, rookie Phenom Wired photos, Dylan Larkin,
So these are your teams that are left, folks. Jets, Panthers,
Detroit Red Wings,
Cardinals. Once we fill that up, we can do this 8-box break that's sitting right here.
Cam Fowler,
There it is. Quick 8-box
Matt
break.
Duchene,
What, half hour yesterday, 25 minutes yesterday.
Niall Yakupov, and to end this box, Philip Forsberg. So that's 1 box. We got another box to go. So that would be Leafs, Kyle. I want to make sure. So if it is, congrats, JD. Glad I was able to get you that card. But I still want to make sure. I'll look up once we do finish this break. But if it does go to the Flyers, that is yours, JD. I should have practiced that a little bit to see what those Rookie X photos numbers go to. But we'll check the checklist and all that just to make sure. I know, right? Dang, I forgot it was a 2-box break. Let's move those hits over here to the side. Yeah, that was the autograph. It says autograph redemption. Rookie number 1, XRC rookie color photo autograph redemption. So if it is Austin Matthews, then that is yours. I have to check that out.
Oh yeah, we can check the checklist on that.
Yeah.
I think they've announced all of those already, right? Because it
Yeah,
doesn't say
yeah.
who it is. Because it's not the draft pick. It's just
But I'll make sure to see
Yeah.
who that really goes to. I don't want to give it to somebody if it isn't really theirs. But if that's what you guys are saying,
Actually, you know what?
if you want to look it up, Joe.
Yeah, I'll look it up.
Yeah, Joe will look that up to make sure everything's all good, JD. All right, so next box. Klingberg, Tyler Ennis, Corey Crawford, rookie phenom Dylan Larkin for the Red Wings, Pekka Rinne, Lundqvist, Corey Schneider, and Jerome McGinley. All the listings have it with Matthews, but with a question mark it after it could be him on eBay. Yeah, that's the thing, because it's number 1, right? So you got to think, who was number 1 this year? That has to be Austin Matthews. But see, they don't know yet either, maybe. That's the thing. That's what a GPress75 in the Breakers chat saying on eBay. They have it listed as Austin Matthews. So Joe just said confirmed that this card right here is Austin Matthews for the Toronto Maple Leafs.
Rookie number 1, right?
Yep, rookie number 1.
Cardboard connection.
All right, so hey JD, this is an Austin Matthews for you. You have Toronto, right?
Matthews, Toronto Maple Leafs.
Nice. Joe just confirmed it on the checklist on Cardboard Connection. It does say it does go to the Leafs. So congrats, JD. Not a Connor McDavid, but Austin Matthews. All right, Tobias Ryder, Sammy Vatanen, Chris Versteeg, rookie phenoms, Tyler Lallier for the Flyers, Victor Hedman, Tomas Tatar, Lafleur. Holy Toledo, right? That's what I'm saying. I'm a big Austin Matthews fan myself. Austin Matthews is an American, so that's cool. He is from Phoenix. Phil Kessel, Patrice Bergeron, Patrice Bergeron, Tomas Hertl, rookie phenoms Andreas for the Red Wings. This is a name I was trying to pronounce the other day and I botched it right now, so I'm not even gonna say it right now. I looked at the checklist and tried to.
Is that like a Greek guy?
Yeah, I don't remember what it
Yeah,
is.
the Greek last names, those are tough.
Yeah, I even looked at videos. I'm like, all right, I got it down. I got it down.
You're working on it.
Yeah.
It's tough.
Patrick Sharp, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Nicholas Lidstrom, Adam Henrique,
Orders coming in on my end.
oh yeah, it's Athanasu, right? Athanasu, yeah. I was looking at videos.
2 in Dynasty.
Harvey, Sundin,
Dynasty Baseball will be
Hansel,
tomorrow.
Camilleri,
Tomorrow?
Nicholas
Tomorrow.
Backstrom,
Tomorrow.
Johnny Gaudreau,
2 spots.
Martin Jones, Mark Messier.
And as of course everyone knows, that gets you
I know, right, JD? You're like, all right, I got mine. Now I want to get somebody else to get a hit. I know, I would love to pull a Connor McDavid for Kyle.
Phil W.
I know he did buy a handful of spots.
6 entries in the pro.
Stahl,
He could technically
Vorbata,
randomize all 5 of those transcendent spots.
Eberle.
Actually, that would make Phil very happy, I'm sure. Alright, so thanks, man, for that. Appreciate it. And, Ms. Karen.
Rookie phenoms, Frank Vetrano for the Bruins.
That's 1 spot in the pro.
Boston.
Karen.
Mike Hoffman, Landeskog, Mandeskog, PK Subban. Yes, G Perez. It was a redemption for an autograph.
This is a Japanese quality season. So, $20 to try to win $5,000 of break credit.
All right, next pack. Bo Horvat, Wayne Simmons, my boy. Miss him on the Kings. Stamkos, Miku Koivu, rookie phenom Sam Bennett for the Flames. Mario Lemieux, Joe Pavelski, Marc-Andre Fleury. You've been on a roll lately, got to cool down sooner or later. Well, hopefully not, man. I hope I could pull you something, you know. You did get a handful of teams.
Here's all I gotta do is print and rip. I'll find my knife too.
Boone Jenner, Plekanec,
I don't know where
Tyler Bozak, Drew Doughty,
to get myself prepared right now.
Upper Deck Portfolio, Yari Curry, black and white art card.
This is just the calm before the storm. Tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. Bunch of new releases tomorrow. Boss man
Blake
will be
Wheeler.
on at about noon, he said, just to warm up.
Brian Leach,
Maybe even do some breaks.
Bobrovsky,
Arthur gets the Panthers. There you go. Arthur's like $20. Try to get a holiday entry. Sure.
Ben Bishop,
Right.
Thornton,
I can do $20.
Rostalainen,
Thanks, Arthur. Appreciate that.
Mike Smith. Oh, here's the autograph.
Great.
Sam Reinhart
Last spot mojo. Who wants it?
for the Buffalo Sabres. So here it is, Kyle. At least you get yourself an autograph right here. Reinhart. Doesn't look like it's numbered, but still an autograph. So that's for you, Kyle. Backstrom, Justin Falk, Jonathan Quick. That Keenan Reynolds Ravens Shield RPA last night's over $20. Spot was nasty. Nice. Dubnik, Patrick Kane, Brandon Saad, Eric Johnson. Rookie Phenoms Wired Photos, Charlie Houdon, Montreal Canadiens, Alexander Barkov, Andrew Ladd, Ryan Kessler. Hey Joe, can you put another one of those breaks in? Oh no, you don't have. Can you do that for my store too? All right, I think I can do it.
No, I didn't do it for your store.
Actually, I'll do it. I'll do it right now. I forget we're a separate store now.
Yeah, 2 different websites.
Yeah.
What was the other auto?
Tuukka Rask. Oh, Sam Reinhart auto. It's not bad. Torrey Krug, Skinner, Schwartz, Rookie phenom Jack Eichel. It's not bad. He is back from his high ankle sprain. Zuccarello. Stone.
Joe Russo says you'll buy
Bobby
a box
Ryan.
if I dab. Why would I do that? It's not a
Mrazek. Ribeiro. Braden Shen. Rookie phenoms Nikolai Ehlers for the Winnipeg Jets. Pacioretty. Hoodler. Bobby Orr. McInnes. Yeah, that's right, Kyle. A hit is a hit.
just the Cardinals left for 21.99.
Yeah, the photos are pretty nice, right, GD?
Happening.
Reimer.
And then we'll probably
Bufflin.
probably knock out that
Jokinen.
stock analyzer. We gotta
Rookie phenoms Matt Murray.
those breaks, but this is a good start, getting a third of it done.
I'll put that in a top loader. It is a rookie phenom.
And we're 5 transcending
So that goes to
all
Pittsburgh.
boxes.
Kyle.
$34.99, but
Matt
we're
Murray.
spending $160, that's for sure. And I hope that everybody
Aaron
who gets
Ekblad.
the transcendent spot,
Ryan Miller.
joins those other spot randomizers as well.
Morgan Riley.
You're already playing with house money at that point.
Lanny McDonald.
Try to get more transcendent baseball spots. And you're guaranteed a hit with that transcendent baseball spot. That's the good thing.
James Neal.
So,
Patrick
first
Marleau.
things first. Let's get this past
Giordano.
football mixer done. This is all we got.
Jaden Swartz. Wired photos.
So at the very end of the break, I'll randomize everybody. Name on top can get an
Or actually what?
or Jasty's holiday
That's
season
weird.
extravaganza.
Oh, Jaden Swartz and Kevin Shattenkirk celebrate Vladimir Tarasenko. Sorry. Still Blues.
Pretty nice, right? Do a lot of damage with $5.
Nikita Kucherov. Varlamov. Gilmore. Eric Stahl. Hamilton. Niederreiter. Nyquist. Swedish-born defenseman Sao Ming. Wired photo. Toronto. Clark Gillisy.
You guys see all of our Christmas lights?
Taves. Tarasenko.
See the glowing
Voracek.
background right there.
Jakub.
This season.
Yeah, cool. 3 cool dudes in that photo, right? Brent Burns right there hugging the mascot. Justin Williams. Luongo. Rookie phenoms. Colton Parayko. Parayko. Sorry about that. St. Louis Blues right there hit. Corey Perry, Foligno, Taylor Hall. All right, so we still have a memorabilia patch or something in these last couple packs that are still available. Sorry if I jacked up some of the names a little bit. Jeff Carter, Rick Nash, Ryan Suter, Carlson, rookie phenoms Connor McDavid. For the Oilers, that goes to Kyle. I always thought Parayko said it was Parayoko. Looking at the spelling, that makes me. I know that's the thing with these names: Ovechkin, Sagan, Bure. My brother always says, he goes, these names are pronounced the way they're spelled. There's no trick to it, and I'm just like, well, dude, you know what? I'm not that smart of a guy. Hearing the names, obviously watching a lot of hockey, I get to know some of these names, even though I probably wouldn't know how to spell them, but I do recognize the names a lot. Parise, Huberdeau, James Van Riemsdyk. So let's say right here, rookie phenom wire photos, Connor McDavid. Well, yeah, not with all of them. I mean, that's what he tells me, because he says I'm dumb. He's such a smart guy, so he's just like, you know what, you don't even know. But yeah, Hjalmarsson, I would not be able to say. It's like, you're really going to say that? Yeah, how are you going to spell that? Well, obviously, the H is silent. Datsuk, Kuznetsov, Kopitar, Gostisbehere. I know, right? We're flirting with a nice hit. That was that Connor McDavid for Kyle. Ekman Larson, Kevin Hayes, Brock Nelson, rookie phenoms Noah Hannafin, Carolina, I think that's Daniel, Jaromir Jagr, Holtby, Evgeny Malkin, John Carlson. So 2 packs left. 2 packs left. We'll go with the right. Stars 1-0 over Calgary. Broussard, Craig Anderson, Jason Spezza. Nice. So portfolios, Jack Eichel, patch, Sixes materials, Buffalo. So that goes to you, Kyle. So both of those hits were Buffalo. So this was a Buffalo box. Not bad to get the number 2 overall picks and patch right there. Bobby Clark. Krejci. Alright, so last pack. Sorry guys if I took a little too long. Obviously next time I'll probably start going through these packs a little faster. My first time seeing this product. So Roman Josi, Kadri, Brody, Bodker, Max Pacioretty, wired photos, Claude Giroux, Turris, and Leo Komarov. Alright, so that is the break, everybody. So we did get some nice hits. So in the first box, we found out that this redemption does go to Toronto. That is for Austin Matthews, so that went to JD. So that was the break, everybody. Thank you all for joining. I'll put up another 2-box break in the stores, but get your spots at jaspyshockeyland.com. We do have our own new website for just hockey. See you next time.